Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video, discuss about straight lines, objective type questions, some model of questions. Question number 16. The equation of the straight line which bisect the intercept between the axis of lines x plus y equal to 2 and 2x plus 3y equal to 6 is first option 2x equal to 3, second option y is equal to 1, third option 2y is equal to 3, fourth option x equal to 1. This is the question. Solution. Here two lines are given, x plus y equal to 2. Intercept between the axis of two lines. First line also intercept x axis and y axis. Second line also intercept x axis and y axis. Here given x plus y equal to 2 intersect x-axis. Here to change into x by a plus y by b form, divided by 2, x by 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. The x-intercept is 2. X-axis a equal to 2, 0, let it be. And y-axis, here y-intercept also 2. B equal to 0, 2. To observe the diagram, this is the diagram. X-axis, y-axis. First line x plus y equal to 2. This is x plus y equal to 2. This is origin. X plus y equal to 2. Here x-intercept is a. That value equal to 2, 0. Y-intercept is b. That value equal to 0, 2. The equation of straight line which bisect. Bisect means midpoint of line AB. Here P is the midpoint of line AB. Let P equal to midpoint of line AB. Line AB. Midpoint. Here capital A vertices 2, 0, x1, y1 and B coordinates x2, y2. x1 plus x2 by 2. 2 plus 0 by 2. 2 by 2, 1. Next y1 plus y2 by 2. 0 plus 2 by 2. 2 by 2, 1. P equal to midpoint of AB, the coordinates 1, 1. Next second line 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Intersect x-axis. Let it be C. Here to observe the one step direct, divided by 6. 2 3s, x-intercept 3. X-axis, let it be that point is C. X-intercept 3, 0. Here x-intercept 2 1s, 2 3s. X-intercept 3, 0. And y-axis and y-intercept. Intersect y-axis. Cut at D. 3 1s, 3 2. 0, 2. Observe the diagram. This is y-axis. Another line is there. Another line. That line is given in question. 2x plus 3y equal to 6. 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Cuts x-axis at C. The C coordinates 3, 0. Cuts y-axis at D. D coordinates 0, 2. Here, if the intercept the line bisect means midpoint. Let Q is the midpoint of CD. Here in this question, to find this point is P, this point is Q. To find PQ equation line. PQ equation line. To find PQ equation line. P equal to, let P equal to midpoint have a B, let Q is equal to midpoint of CD. Same formula, 3 plus 0 by 2, 3 by 2, 0 plus 2 by 2, 1, 3 by 2 comma 1. To find equation of line PQ, the question asks to find this line, PQ line. Equation of PQ. Here to apply the formula, x minus x1 by x1 minus x2 is equal to y minus y1 by y1 minus y2. The P coordinates 1 comma 1, x1 y1, Q coordinates 3 by 2 comma 1, x2 y2. Apply the formula, x minus x1, x1 value 1, x1 minus x2, 1 minus 3 by 2, y minus y1, y1 value 1, y minus y1, y1 value 1, y1 minus y2, 1 minus 1, 0, 0. Here to observe that x minus 1 by LCM 2, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 2 by y minus 1 into 0. All students observe that do not multiply with minus 1 by 2, 0. Here 0 into any number, this is some number, this is x minus 1 by x minus 1 by 2 is one number. 0 into any number is 0. 0 into x minus 1 by minus 1 by 2 is 0. Then the final answer, y minus 1 equal to 0. That is y is equal to 1. This is the answer. Y is equal to 1. Second option is right. Question number 17. Equation of the line passing through 0, 1 and having intercepts in the ratio 2:3 is, here are the four options. First option, 2x plus 3y equal to 3. Second option, 2x minus 3y plus 3 equal to 0. Third option, 3x plus 2y equal to 2. Fourth option, 2x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. The solution is, here the equation of line passing through 0, 1. To observe the diagram, this is x-axis, y-axis, origin. If the line passing through point 0, 1, here x-intercept is A, y-intercept is B. Given condition, ratio A is to B equal to 2:3. Let x-intercept equal to small a, y-intercept is equal to small b. Given condition, A is to B equal to 2:3. A by B equal to 2/3. Cross multiply, 3a equal to 2b. Here b equal to 3a by 2. Here given in this situation, to convert b in terms of a or a in terms of b, any one apply. Equation of line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Here b value equal to 3a by 2. x by a plus y by 3a by 2 is equal to 1. X by a, this is reciprocal, 2y by 3a equal to 1. A and 3a is the LCM. 3a is the LCM. Here a by 3a multiply with 3x, 3a get cancelled one time. 3x plus 2y is equal to 1. 3x plus 2y is equal to 3a. This is equation 1. The line AB equation is in the form of 3x plus 2y is equal to 3a. Here one point is given. Let p equal to 0, 1 lies on equation 1. Substitute in x 0. This is 0. Y value 1. 2 into 1, 2 is equal to 3a. Here 3a equal to 2. 3a value is 2. 3a equal to 2 in equation 1. Equation 1. 3x plus 2y, the 3a value is 2. 3a value is 2. 3x plus 2y is equal to 2. This is the answer. Third option is right. All students observe that to find the equation of lines, option verification method is also do it. Option verification. In option verification, to check passing through the point and ratio. Here first option, to take first option, substitute 0, 1. 0, n x 0, this is value 0, 3 into 1, 3, satisfied. But to check a is to b 2 is to 3 or not. First option, 2x plus 3y is equal to 3. P is equal to 0, 1 lies on first option. But check a is to b ratio. Divided by 3. 2x by 3. X intercept small a value 3 by 2. 3 cancel. Y intercept b value 1. Here a is to b. 3 by 2 is to 1. 3 by 2 is to 1. Multiply with 2. 3 is to 2. Point is satisfied, but ratio is 3 is to 2. First option is wrong. Here to check third option. 3x plus 2y is equal to 2. P 0, 1 satisfied. Here by divide by 2, x intercept small a is equal to divide by 2, small a 2 by 3, small b 1. A is to b, 2 by 3 is to 1. Multiply with ratio both sides 3, that ratio is 2 is to 3. Third option is satisfied, point and also ratio is 2 is to 3. Third option is correct. Question number 18. The equation of set of lines which are at constant distance 2 units from the origin. First option, x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Second option, x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. Third option, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to 2. Fourth option, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to 1 by 2. This is very simple problem. X axis, y axis, origin. One line is there, AB. This is the line L equal to 0. In this question, the equation of set of lines which are at constant distance 2 units from origin. Distance means this is perpendicular distance 2 units from origin. This is alpha. If the line, the normal ray distance is small p and makes an angle alpha with x-axis, then the line equation x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Here the distance is given 2 units, that value is p, given the distance from origin to the line, clearly given from origin to the line, given p is equal to 2. The equation of set of lines is always equation of normal form. Equation of normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Here p value equal to 2. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to 2. This is the right answer. Third option is correct. Question number 19. The slope of a straight line through capital A equal to 3 comma 2 is 3 by 4. Then the coordinates of the 2 points on the line that are 5 units away from A are, first option minus 7 comma 5 1 comma minus 1, second option 7 comma 5 minus 1 comma minus 1, third option 6 comma 9 minus 2 comma 4, fourth option 7 comma 3 minus 2 comma 1. Here in this question, to observe the diagram, x-axis, y-axis, this is the line capital A passing through 3 comma 2. Here that are 5 units, at a 5 units one point is there B. To find these coordinates, to find B coordinates, the line having slope 3 by 4, given A is equal to 3 by 2, 3 comma 2, A is equal to 3 comma 2, x1 comma y1, slope m equal to 3 by 4. Slope means m is equal to tan theta. Tan theta equal to 3 by 4. Here opposite side 3. Opposite side 3. Adjacent side 4. Hypotenuse already know 3 comma 4 comma 5 form a right angle triangle. Therefore hypotenuse is 5. To find sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse 3 by 5. To find cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to 4 by 5. Here let B is equal to point on the line AB distance is given 5 units, that equal to mod r equal to 5, r equal to plus or minus 5. To find B coordinates, B is equal to x1 plus or minus r cos theta comma y1 plus or minus r sin theta. B equal to, here the x1 value is 3 plus or minus 5, r value 5 plus or minus 5, cos theta 4 by 5. y1 equal to 2 plus or minus r value 5, sin theta is 3 by 5. Here 5 cancelled. Here to take 3 plus 4 comma 2 plus 3, and next 3 minus 4, comma 2 minus 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 2 plus 3, 5. 7 comma 5 and 3 minus 4 minus 1. 2 minus 3 minus 1. Minus 1 comma minus 1. 7 comma 5 and minus 1 comma minus 1 is the coordinates of B. The correct option is 7 comma 5 minus 1 comma minus 1. Second option is right. Question number 20. A straight line is such that its distance of 5 units from the origin and its inclination is 135 degree. The intercept of the line on the coordinate axis are. These are the options. First option 5 comma 5. Second option root 2 comma root 2. Third option 5 root 2 comma 5 root 2. Fourth option 5 by root 2 comma 5 by root 2. Here to observe the diagram, x-axis, y-axis, this is origin. A straight line is such that distance of 5 units from the origin. This is one straight line. AB, L equal to 0. This is one straight line. From origin to this straight line. This line is always perpendicular. This distance is 5. It is represented by P. P equal to 5. And its inclination 135 degree. Here in this question, 135 degree meaning here the 135 degree makes an angle with the x-axis. This is 135 degree x-axis. To observe that in diagram, total angle is 180. This total line is 180. Here this much of angle 180 minus 135 that equal to 45 degree. This angle is 45 degree. Then here 90 degree, this is normal line. The distance line is always perpendicular to the line L equal to 0. This is 90 degree. This is 45 degree. In a triangle, sum of angles is 45 degree. This angle is also 45 degree. To calculate alpha value here. Here alpha value given P equal to 5, the distance from origin to the line, and its inclination in this question 135 degree is not given x-axis or not. Here to understand this 135 degree makes an angle with x-axis 135 degree. Here this much of angle, total angle 180 minus 135, 45 degree. 90, 45, this angle is 45 degree. This is alpha. Alpha equal to 45 degree. This condition is equation of line in normal form. Equation of line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P. X cos alpha cos 45 degree plus y sin alpha sin 45 degree. The P value is 5. Cos 45 degree 1 by root 2. That means x by root 2. Sin 45 degree also 1 by root 2. Y by root 2 is equal to 5. Here this line is converted into intercept form. Here the divide by 5, the line is x by 5 root 2 plus y by 5 root 2, 5 divided by 5, 1. X-intercept is equal to 5 root 2. Y-intercept equal to 5 root 2. Here x-intercept 5 root 2, y-intercept is 5 root 2. Correct answer is third option. X-intercept 5 root 2, y-intercept 5 root 2. Okay. Next class discuss about some more problems. Okay, students, if you like this video, please and share and subscribe. And also, if you have any doubt, drop them in comment section. All students, listen here. To improve this channel, Venu Maths Academy, if you also some friends are there, support my channel to distribute these videos so many friends, and also like this video. Okay, all the best.